Hello friends, it has been 2 whole weeks since I went full-time freelance. I can't believe it's already been that long. And I kept thinking about what I wanted this first vlog to be, and I thought that in these first couple of weeks, naively thought that I might have these amazing, mind-blowing insights into the freelance world, or that some big, exciting news would happen. I mean, there's been a few exciting things, but nothing earth-shattering or bank account exploding. And so really my life is still the same. My life is pretty boring. While you may think that, oh wow, she's getting up every day now and doing her makeup and her hair, I'm so proud of her. That's not true, no. I have an event tonight that I'm going to see Chip Kidd give a lecture, so hence the beautiful makeup. This is what really life is like. Well, most days look like this. Yes, that is what my life most mornings looks like. Blurry, awful video quality and all. Besides life being pretty much the same as it was before going full freelance, the few things I have noticed is, number one, there's very little human interaction. I mean, I have my cats. I mean, they just super love being on camera and posing for you guys. Oh, look, it's Mimi. And I just know that the cats are going to love being in these videos so much. I mean, you can just tell how much she is loving being in my arms right now. But you know, I talk to them all day, but they're not humans. They can't talk back. Oh, but they can run away out of my arms. I have yet to work from a coffee shop. That's another number 2 thing I thought that I was going to do this week or last week that I thought I'd do, and I haven't. So I guess maybe I'll put that on my list for next week. Number 3 that I've already kind of hit on is the fact that there's really not very many reasons to get out of sweatpants and sweatshirts. So the fact that I'm in full makeup and like my hair isn't, you know, some sort of boy band swoop looking across my forehead right now is kind of a miracle. Number 4 thing that I guess is kind of a pro and a con is my to-do list did not magically fulfill itself. I think there was some part of me that thought, oh, I'm gonna have all this extra time to get all these things done and my to-do list will be finished every single day. That hasn't happened once. I have gotten more done on my to-do list though, which is the good side of things, but it definitely hasn't magically improved. Number 5, I haven't had any big clients magically land in my lap. I guess I really thought that freelance was gonna be magic because I've used that word a lot, but I have gotten some amazing new clients in this last couple of weeks as I've put myself out there more, but there hasn't been, you know, Nike hasn't called me up, Target hasn't called me, still waiting on that one, so oh well. So yeah, those are pretty much the 5 things that I thought may or may not happen in this first 2 weeks. I keep thinking it's only been a week. It's been 2. First 2 weeks of freelancing, but I'm grateful. I'm grateful for the clients that have come, thankful that my to-do list is a bit smaller, and grateful for the time I get to spend at home with my crazy cats, even if it means that I slowly, you know, start speaking in meows. That's cool. I'm sure my husband will love that. As much as things haven't quite been what I thought that they would be this first couple of weeks, some amazing things have happened that I just can't share with you guys yet. And there's also been just a lot of daily to-do type stuff that makes my life a little boring. You know, I'm a one-woman show here, so I get to do the accounts and do the Instagram posting and the email designing and all those little nitpicky things that I really don't find much joy in, but I find joy in the results of those things. So that's why I'm reminding myself as I go forward into next week, and who knows, maybe next week something huge and magical will happen that I can share with you guys. But until then, stay happy and I will talk to you later.